Mga kachika, dito na naman tayo sa ating chika at dito may chika kung paano daw nakuha ng mga animals ang kanilang mga pangalan. Basahin natin. Ayan. The animals were excited. They talked amongst themselves, sharing their enthusiasm. But Coyote began bragging, "I will have the best name ever. You will be jealous. No one will have a name as good as mine. I am going to stay up all night to make sure I am the first one there." The animals grew weary of Coyote's boasting and began to leave. They warned him to go to bed so he could get up early. He replied, "Did you hear me? Did you not hear me? I am going to stay up all night." Coyote returned to his teepee. He asked his wife, Mole Woman, to bring enough firewood to last the night. He ranted on and on to the fire and he grew tired. When he began to nod off, he took small twigs and propped his eyelids open so he would not fall asleep. Creator knew of Coyote's plans and forced him to sleep. When Coyote awoke, the sun was high overhead. He jumped up and yelled, "My name!" Coyote had slept through the morning. When he arrived at the river bend, the Creator was preparing to leave because all the other animals had come and gone. He begged the Creator to give him a name. He asked for the name Grizzly Bear, the strongest being on earth. Creator said, "That name has been taken." He asked for the name Salmon, the fastest swimmer in all the rivers. That name had been taken. He asked for the name Antelope, the fastest of all the land animals. That name too was gone. Coyote asked, "What names are left?" Creator replied, "I knew your plan, so I saved you the name Coyote. You have important work to do. You have monsters to kill. You must prepare the world for people to come." Hearing this, Coyote danced and sang and thanked the Creator. That is how the animals got their names. That is all. So ito po si Coyote. Happy siya. So yan mga kachika, nalaman natin kung paano nagkuha ng mga hayop ang kanilang pangalan mula sa chika dito. At dito daw nagkita-kita sila sa Spokane River Bend. Ito at ayan ang course sa harap. Ito ang inyong chikadora, laging may chika.